Module 5, Pre-Deployment Briefing and Communication Etiquette. Objective, teach field briefings, community engagement techniques, and how to communicate with local stakeholders. Outcome, ability to confidently engage with community leaders and farmers. Introduction. Hello and welcome to this session on pre-deployment briefing and communication etiquette. Before you step into the field to collect data, you need more than a phone and a questionnaire. You need confidence, clarity, and cultural sensitivity. This session will walk you through what happens during a pre-deployment briefing, how to engage with community leaders and respondents, the do's and don'ts of respectful field communication. Let's dive in. What is a pre-deployment briefing? A pre-deployment briefing is the final meeting between the project team and enumerators before fieldwork begins. It prepares you for everything you'll encounter in the community. Here's what happens during a briefing. Exercise Etiquette. You receive your field assignment, community name, cluster, or ward. You're reminded of data collection protocols. You're briefed on local dynamics, language, religious sensitivities, and cultural practice. You're issued ID badges, tools, and support contacts. You confirm your understanding of your reporting line and daily targets. It's also a time to ask questions. Don't stay silent if you're unsure about anything. Remember, a well-briefed enumerator is a confident enumerator. Community engagement techniques. Now, let's talk about how to enter a rural community with respect and impact. První, start with the gatekeepers. Always introduce yourself to community leaders, youth leaders, or women leaders first. Explain the project simply. Let them know the survey is voluntary and confidential. Pro tip, learn the chief's or leader's name in advance and greet them formally and respectfully. Also, presenting some community engagement packages such as cola nut and drinks will also improve community leaders' engagement. Druhý, approach respondents with empathy. ISAT, start with a friendly greeting in the local language if possible. Smile, make eye contact, and explain why you're there. Ask, is this a good time to speak with you? Don't rush. Build rapport first, especially with older respondents. Třetí, watch your body language. Don't point fingers, raise your voice, or show impatience. Avoid sitting when the elders are standing. This shows disrespect in many communities. Respect gender norms. If a woman feels uncomfortable, ask if she prefers speaking with a female enumerator. Čtvrtý, handle resistance gracefully. If someone refuses to answer questions, thank them politely and walk away. Do not argue, force, or bribe. Report any issues to your field supervisor. Don't escalate them yourself. Communication, etiquette, do's and don'ts. Let's summarize the key communication do's and don'ts in the field. Marca de verificación de O. Greet people properly using local norms. Explain your role clearly and simply. Be polite, patient, and humble. Listen actively and avoid interrupting. Respect personal boundaries, especially for women and elders. Use simple, non-technical language. Don't use slang or offensive jokes. Promise anything in return for answering. Misrepresent the purpose of the survey. Disclose what others have said or compare answers. Ignore body language that shows discomfort. Remember, you are the face of this project. Your words and actions shape how the community views us. Wrap up and takeaways. To recap, the pre-deployment briefing prepares you for success. Don't miss it. And my second community engagement starts with respect and continues with empathy. Effective communication is calm, clear, and culturally aware. You are not just collecting data, you are building trust. In our next session, we'll show you exactly how to administer the questionnaire during your interviews. Thank you for watching, and remember, the way you speak matters just as much as what you say.